Today we are doing a repair on the Stinger spike system. Using your Phillips screwdriver, you're going to replace a damaged single section subassembly. You're going to remove 4 screws. So the 2 screws that are on the rocker arm piece and the 2 screws that are on the flat connecting bar piece. Remove the screw and washer. We'll then remove the damaged single section subassembly, and again the flat arm and the rocker arm is one single section subassembly. Set that aside. Connect the remaining good pieces back together. And your system is now ready for reuse. You now have received your replacement single section subassembly. You're just going to go ahead and connect it right to the end of your full system. This repair works on all 3 of our sizes, the Metro, Trooper, and Defender spike models.